Hi, welcome to Recipe Dabba. So today we are ready to make some protein wraps. Yeah, so it's a very simple recipe, and this is my version of using chila recipe in a different way. So let's see what all do we need for this. So first of all, we need soaked moong dal. Okay, as you all know, dal is very rich in protein. This has been soaked for almost 2 to 3 hours, and then so it's like 1 cup of soaked dal. We need some boiled beetroot. This is almost half of a medium-sized beetroot. We need some mixed vegetables. This is optional. If you don't have right now, it's okay. These are just tomato slices, onion slices, and some green bell pepper which have been sliced. Then we need 1 egg. Again, an optional thing. If you want to make it pure vegetarian, you can just skip the egg part. We need some oil. Then we need some honey and some vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can also use lemon juice. Then let's see what we need in the spices. We need some salt, some cumin powder, some chaat masala, some mint leaves, some green chilies, some garlic, and some ginger. So that's all you need for this interesting protein wrap. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take the egg. In this we'll add a little bit of salt, a little bit of chaat masala, and then mix it. Once this is done, you'll keep this aside. Next, you'll take a mixer grinder. In that, you're going to add your moong dal. You will add your beetroots. You will add your mint leaves, your ginger, garlic, your masalas, and the green chili. Everything will go inside. And with little bit of water, you'll make a fine paste of this. This is ready for the wrap batter. Now what you'll do is you'll take the vegetables. In this you will add your vinegar, your honey, and give it a nice mix. You can also add little salt to this. Not too much, very little salt. Let all the honey and vinegar go. And let this vegetable marinate. Now you'll take a pan, you'll heat this pan. With this, you will add some oil and let this oil become warm. Meanwhile, you will take an onion, half of the onion like this. Take a fork, smear the oil on my pan with this. This is how typically I also make my dosas. So once this is heated enough, next you take the batter. It has to have this much of consistency. You can add little water and salt if you want. Then you add it in the center of your tawa, and with the onion piece you try to make a thin layer. Let this cook on medium flame while you can add some oil and let this cook. Now this step is optional as this is cooking, and if you want egg, this is the time you can pour the egg on the top of your wrap base. Just make sure it's gone. It's alright if this goes outside because you can cut it off, but try to just make sure this goes all along this wrap. So like 1/2 of the egg would actually go in one small one. Now like I said, if anything goes out of the wrap, you can just pull it back like this. So this would take put around 7 to 10 minutes for this to leave the surface like this. You can see this is how the surface would become. So at this point of time, once it starts coming out, you can take your salads and start putting it on the side, because this is where we'll roll it up. With a string of salad, whatever salad you like eating, and just start rolling it up. That's how your wrap is ready to go. This is how you can cut this in between and serve this wrap with any chutney or any dip you feel like. and I'm sure people would love this at your home. So do try this recipe and let me know how this has come out. Thank you so much for watching the video.